Hey there, fellow adventurers. Ready to lace up your boots and hit the trails? Today we're counting down the top 10 most breathtaking hiking trails that will leave you in awe and maybe a little out of breath. We're talking stunning views, incredible wildlife, and adventures that'll make you feel like a real-life explorer. So grab your backpack, slather on the sunscreen, and get ready for some serious trail magic. Let's dive in. First up, we're heading over to the good old US of A to tackle the mighty Appalachian Trail. Stretching over 2,000 miles from Georgia to Maine, this trail is a true gem of the East Coast. Now don't let the 2,000-mile length scare you off. This beauty's got something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just starting out, you can pick a section of this trail and be blown away by the sheer beauty of it all. The trail is divided into manageable sections, so you can choose a day hike or a multi-day adventure. There's lush forests, rolling hills, and wildlife encounters that'll make your heart skip a beat. We're talking black bears, deer, maybe even a bobcat if you're lucky. The trail is home to a variety of wildlife, making every hike an exciting and unpredictable experience. So, lace up your hiking boots, pack your essentials, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure on the Appalachian Trail. Next up, we're jetting off to South America, to the land of ancient civilizations and breathtaking mountains, Peru. Get ready to channel your inner Indiana Jones on the Inca Trail, a hike that's bursting with history and stunning scenery. There are 3 trails to choose from. The classic trail is the shortest, taking an average of 3 days to complete. The trails wind their way through the Andes Mountains, past ancient ruins and lush cloud forests. And the grand finale? The lost city of the Incas, Machu Picchu. Can you imagine the feeling of walking through those ancient ruins, knowing that you followed in the footsteps of the Inca people? It's an experience that'll stay with you forever. All right, adventurers, this next one's for the adrenaline junkies, the peak baggers, the ones who crave a challenge. We're talking about the Everest Base Camp Trek in Nepal, a journey to the foot of the world's highest mountain. This ain't no walk in the park, folks. We're talking high altitudes, rugged terrain, and some seriously stunning views of the Himalayas. A gloriously beautiful multi-day hiking experience. There's nothing like standing face-to-face with Mount Everest, feeling the raw power of nature all around you. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring experience that'll push you to your limits and leave you breathless in more ways than one. Now let's cool off with a hike that's a little different. Imagine a place where the trail is not just on land but also in water. We're heading back to the USA to Zion National Park in Utah for a hike through the Zion Narrows. This iconic trail is one of the most unique hiking experiences you can have. The Narrows is a section of the Virgin River where the canyon walls close in, creating a narrow passage that you can explore. This ain't your average trail, folks. Instead of dusty paths and rocky climbs, you'll be navigating through water, sometimes up to your waist. It's an adventure that combines the thrill of hiking with the refreshing experience of wading through the river. You'll be surrounded by towering canyon walls made of red and orange sandstone, sculpted by the river over millions of years, that seem to touch the sky. You might spot some unique plants clinging to the canyon walls, or catch a glimpse of wildlife that calls this place home. Whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a new adventure, the Zion Narrows offers an unforgettable experience that combines the beauty of nature with the thrill of exploration. Next up, we're off to the bottom of the world, to the rugged and beautiful landscape of Patagonia, Chile. Get ready for an epic adventure on the Torres del Paine circuit, a trail that'll take you past some of the most stunning scenery on the planet. This 75-mile loop can be enjoyed as a day trip to Glacier Gray or a multi-day adventure around the whole shebang. We're talking jagged peaks, glaciers that sparkle like diamonds, turquoise lakes, and maybe even a glimpse of a puma if you're lucky. This is a hike that'll challenge you, inspire you, and leave you with memories that'll last a lifetime. Aloha, adventurers! Get ready to trade your hiking boots for sandals as we head to the tropical paradise of Kauai, Hawaii to tackle the Kalalau Trail. This 11-mile trail hugs the Nepali coast, offering breathtaking views of jagged cliffs, hidden beaches, and cascading waterfalls. Camp for the night and you'll get to do it all again on the way back. It's a challenging hike, but the reward is worth every drop of sweat. Cool off with a dip in a secluded waterfall pool, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore. It's enough to make you want to trade in your hiking boots for a surfboard. Ciao, adventurers! Get ready to say buongiorno to Italy as we explore the Cinque Terre, a string of 5 picturesque villages perched on the Italian Riviera. This hike is all about soaking up the charm of these colorful villages, connected by a network of trails that wind their way through vineyards, olive groves, and along the rugged coastline. Take your time and explore each of the unique villages. Dine in the piazzas, enjoy nightlife at the bars, and immerse yourself in the coastal culture. Sipping a glass of local wine overlooking the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea. It's the perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. G'day, mates! We're heading down under to New Zealand, the land of the Kiwis and some of the most stunning scenery on the planet. Get ready to experience the Milford Track, often called the finest walk in the world. This trail takes you through Fiordland National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where you'll encounter towering waterfalls, mirror-like lakes, and lush rainforests. Take advantage of the lodges, huts, and shelters along the trail, and don't miss Sutherland Falls, the tallest waterfall in New Zealand. This hike is like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Get ready to test your limits in the Kingdom of Bhutan, a land of towering mountains and ancient monasteries. The Snowman trek is not for the faint of heart. This challenging trek takes you through the remote Himalayas, crossing high mountain passes and offering glimpses of some of the world's most iconic peaks. If that's not enough, there's a 5-day, 126-mile ultramarathon called the Snowman Race that will test your body and soul. I'll pass on that one for now. The trek is a true test of endurance and a journey that'll stay with you long after you've returned home. Our final adventure takes us to the land of fire and ice, Iceland. Get ready to be amazed by the Laugavegur Trail, a 34-mile trek that showcases the best of Iceland's dramatic landscapes. We're talking colorful rhyolite mountains, glaciers, geysers, hot springs, and maybe even a glimpse of the northern lights if you're lucky. It's a hike that'll leave you speechless and wanting to book your next trip back to this magical country. And there you have it, folks. We've just taken you on a whirlwind tour of some of the most awe-inspiring hiking trails around the globe. Whether you're an experienced trekker or a casual hiker, these trails offer something for everyone. The top 10 most breathtaking hiking trails that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, the wind in your hair, and a panoramic view that stretches as far as the eye can see. From the rugged peaks of the Himalayas where the air is thin and the views are endless, to the lush rainforests of New Zealand, where every step is a journey through a living, breathing tapestry of green, there's an adventure out there for everyone. Whether you prefer the challenge of a steep ascent or the tranquility of a forest path, these trails cater to all kinds of hikers. So what are you waiting for? The world is full of incredible trails just waiting to be explored. Grab your boots, pack your bags, and get out there and explore the incredible trails our planet has to offer. Each trail has its own unique charm and challenges, making every hike a new adventure. Have you hiked any of these trails? If so, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Or do you have any suggestions for our next video adventure? We're always on the lookout for new trails to explore and share with our community. Let us know in the comments below. Your feedback and suggestions help us create content that inspires and informs. Until next time, happy hiking. Remember, the best views come after the hardest climbs. So keep exploring, keep pushing your limits, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey.